Alright, so we have our tasks for today. On the left pin, you have to disconnect the external hard drive from the system. Be sure to use the correct procedure. Alright, so the correct procedure is to go to this pin and eject HDD USB. Alright, so that has been ejected. So we go over to the bench and we remove, let's go to the back of the PC, and this is external hard drive. This is external hard drive. It has been ejected. Alright, so go to our storage devices, USB. We connect our USB to USB port. Let's go back to the front and we enter into the computer and we are going to, we've inserted USB and we're going to update the drivers for Realtek 8169. So we'll go over, right click here and device manager, and what are we doing? We are going to network adapter. Where do you have network adapters? This is network adapter. Let's open it up and we see Realtek 8169. So we have to update it using the folder on our USB drive that we just plugged into the computer. Alright, so this is it, our USB. Alright, yep. Yeah, that's our USB. So we click OK. Next, we'll wait for it. Windows has successfully updated your driver. Alright, so we just close. What else do they want us to do? Update the drivers for Mustec scanner by searching Windows Update for new driver. So let's go to scanner. Close this. Go to scanner. Where do we have scanner? Scanner. Imaging devices. Yeah, this is where it should be. So this is Mustec scanner. So Mustec Scam Express 1000. So yeah, that is it. So we update. We're going to do this automatically. Alright, Windows has successfully updated your driver. So we'll close. Let's see, is there any other facts we need to do here? None. So that is it. We check our answers. Safely remove the external hard drive. Alright, so we go back and safely remove the external hard drive. So let's go to the back of this. So there's this. Nope. This is for printer, I guess. USB type 5. Okay, yeah, so this is it. We have to unplug this. So this has been unplugged, and we go back to front. Let's check our answers. Everything is correct now. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing, share, like, comment. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.